Welcome to this video. I'm going to be showing you how you can make your own sound on TikTok. Okay, so go ahead and open up TikTok. Now you can do this by posting a video, but you can also do it by going to your profile and using a video that you already made. So what I'll do is I'll just turn the sound down and I'll click on a video. Okay, so if you can see on this video, there's that circle right there. You want to basically click onto that. Okay, so that's not an original sound right now. So I'm going to click onto this one and find one that has an original sound. So it doesn't look like I can find one right now. So what I want to do is just click on plus and I'll take a 15-second video and I'll record. So this is a test recording for the video, just something 5 seconds or so. Okay, then you click on the tick mark, tap on next, and then you just want to go ahead and post that. Okay, click on cancel, don't allow, and right now it's just posting that video, so I'll just give that a moment to post. Okay, so it says your video has been posted. So what we can do now is we can exit out there, go to our profile, and there's the video. So tap onto it and there you can see there is an original sound created by me now. So you can tap on that, then you can push on this use. Okay, you can tap use sound. So tap on use sound and then you can create a brand new video with your own original sound. So if this helped you out, drop a like on the video and subscribe to my channel.